Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, good day. It's been a while that we uploaded video on the channel, but today we want to give you guys another stunning video for scalping and for swing trading. Okay, and before then, as usual, if you are new to this channel, really kindly subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. Also, comment on the video, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, share to family and friends. Okay, and before we get started to the main video, this is a setup I call the special strategy. Okay, it is not anywhere in YouTube or any place. I call it the special strategy. All right, it is actually meant for scalping. Okay, you could see that the spike caught me here, but I'm not afraid of the market. I'm not afraid that the market will come back to my profits. All right, yeah. Now this is the smart strategy that we use for scalping. Scalping, uh, just two candles, and this is the entry point. Look at the arrow here. When it crosses over to the top here, you enter your market for two candles. All right, you could also see another cross downward here, enter again for two candles. Okay, and you can also see another one here. When that stupid thing cross over there, you enter for two candles and there's it. Okay, now this setup is not actually for free. It's not in the channel. It is actually I will give it to only 5 persons. Okay, because my birthday is about as fast approaching. I want to give it out as a free gift. Okay, with your $5 account, $10 account, you can actually grow it if you can stick to two candles and having a achievable daily target. Okay, you'll be fine with that. All right, now how do you get it? Very simple and easy. You can check on the video, this video description, and you will see a link to my profile on Telegram. You can send me a message on Telegram regarding this smart strategy. Okay, and it will be simple and powerful. And for the 5 persons that I'm going to give it to for free, I'm going to give it out for just $10, $10. That is little, but that is what you get it at the moment. After which the 5 is completed, then it is gonna be off sale. Nobody's gonna get it anymore because I don't want it to go viral. I don't want many people to use it or to avoid it being manipulated easily. Okay, so you can do yourself a good favor by entering at the being among those that will enjoy it at this price. Okay, now that is about it. Yeah, let us go to what we have today. Okay, let's go to what we have today. Okay, uh, this is the setup we are going to be talking about today. Okay, this actually works for in the 5-minute time frame. Okay, it works on the 5-minute time frame. As you see, I'm holding this trade. I'm still holding this trade on loss, but I'm not afraid because here is my 200 my 200 MA here, of which it went there and come down. So I'm holding the market until it crosses over that 200 MA. So I expect it to come down. Okay, I just heard it right from here and it dropped down before the spike happened on me, but I'm not going to be exiting right now. I'll have to wait for it to come to my entry or it break out. Now is it in loss? Okay, sometimes we accept loss, guys. Sometimes we accept loss sometimes. Now what we have today in the business is the setup. Okay, it works on the 5-minute time frame and above, and it is specially for a short swing or short scalp or whatever you call it. All right, now this is not my setup. not my own creation, but I find it so good. Someone in the group created it, and I tested it, and it is working good. All right, so I want to bring it to you guys to also enjoy. All right, now let me give you the setup so that we get to work. First of all, we have on the main chart, we have the exponential moving average, 200 shift 0 exponential close, and the pixel. You choose any color of your choice and you click on done. Secondly, we have alligator. The alligator, we have the 13.88553 smoothed median price. The styles are all your background color except the lip style, which I use purple. Okay, and you click on done. The next window you use, other ones you see here is the one I told you guys I'm testing the setup on this on the account. So here the next window you're going to be adding is window indicator 1, but this is it here. We are going to use this one, RSI period 1 apply to close. Style should be your background color. You see I use white here because I have a white background. Now the levels, we have the level of 90, 10 and 50. 90, 10 and 50, and you click on done. All right, and the next one there we have the moving average period 6 shift 0. Method is linear weight, apply to close. The pixel, I choose black. You can choose any other color of your choice. Okay, now the next one there we have the alligator, just the one you have in your main chart. You can still add it here, but I change the color to be green. You can choose any color of your choice and you click on done. So after that you are good to go, and this is the setup. You have this as a setup. You have this as a setup. So this actually I use it for candles, not for spike. Can will also work for spike as well, but I use this mostly for candles. Now this is the working principle. How do we enter the market? When we have a cross, when the market has moved up to the 90 level. Okay, you see that I moved to the 90 level. The black line, which is the RSI, the moving average 6 is crossing the alligator, which is the green line. You sell. Look at it here, and this is the 90 level, and we'll wait for it to cross. The crossover like this. Let me show you with an arrow. Maybe you will get to understand this better than with that. You see something here. This is the arrow. Okay, so you can sell at that point. And you can actually sell at this point. See that remember this is 5 minute time frame. So if you sell at that point, you can actually take two candles. Two candles out of it is 10-minute candles. So if you're taking two candles out of this market, okay, you're taking two candles out of this market, you are taking 10 candles. 10 candles is not a small thing. Okay, let us see it well. This has moved along across here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you can actually take two candles or three candles out of it and you go out of the market. Okay, another cross happened here. At this point we have a ranging market. It's crossed here. We'll take our trade, take 2 to 3 candles and you exit. And that cross happened here. You enter again, take 2 to 3 candles and you exit. Still yet another cross, but at this point, look at this here also. It's also crossed down here. That's when it now break out the level below. So cross here, you take your 2 3 candles and you exit. Now at the moment there is a level below there. It has formed a level here. So now because it crosses, it broke out this level below, broke out the level below and close below it. You can also ride it and you see how it went down. It crossed also the 200 MA downward and close below it. That is another show that it is going to go more on a down direction, and you could actually have made it. Okay, that is how you can trade with that. Okay, now let us do for another setup. Let's see another setup. Now see another one here. Let us zoom it out a bit. See another setup here. There is a cross here. We have got our cross. cross here, you see that, and you should enter your market right here. And when you enter your market, what do? You take 2 to 3 candles. I will actually say 2 candles, and when you take 2 candles, you exit the market. Okay, that is when it's now. What are the confirmation of entry? First of all, there should be a cross here at the window indicator like this. Then the next one, that the candle should close below the alligator in the main chart. Look at this, is the purple line here, is the alligator, and you see the candle close below it. So you should enter here and on this next candle, and you take your candles and exit somewhere here. Okay, now that is the other ones. So the 200 EMA in the main chart is just acting, you know what it acts for. It acts as a support and resistance level. So it's not among the setup, but I just added it to make it, if you know that when the market is close to that level, you should be exiting the market, except it's actually broke out. Now see another entry here. Let me remove this my level on. Let me leave it. See another entry here, guys. If you test this on demo and let it work for you, look at another, the cross happened there, and at the main chart we have the market close below that line, and we'll enter it and take 2 to 3 candles, and you get out of them and you exit the market. Okay, if you go ahead, you can see another cross over here. All right, and at the main chart the market closed below it here, and boom, it came down. You take your 2 to 3 candles and you exit. Guys, this is awesome, very very awesome. So guys, enjoy the trade, enjoy using it. Please and please practice on demo, practice on demo, practice on demo, and start to make money with this setup. All right, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, comment in the video, and ask any question. Now about the zoom level, because you may ask me about the zoom level. The zoom level for the setup is here. We have here as is the lowest zoom level. Okay, we'll go up a bit like this, 1 and 2. That is the zoom level. From the lowest zoom level, you zoom out twice. Okay, that is just how we do it. Like you could see, I'm still on this trade. I'm not afraid of this market. Okay, you should also you should also be able to develop your confidence. Why am I here again? You could see, let me draw some. There's something I want to show you here. Why am I also still in that market? I see something like this. This is a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line. So I should expect it to either broke out the trend line or continue in that way. So I'm not afraid of the market. Here I have a channel. I have a channel. Remember, I have a setup. I have an indicator that shows you such channel like this. I will guide you. So if you need it, you can send me a DM. Okay, just for $10 and you get it. All right, that's the channel. I should expect it to go down. I should expect it to go down. Like, sorry, I did not. I should expect it to go down like this. All right, that is the channel. All right, now for the special start, for this smart setup, you can see, get it down, DM me and you get it right away. Okay guys, until then, I remain HumbleFx, and see you guys in the next video. All right, thank you so much, and thanks for being with us. HumbleFx signing out.